Create a 6-finger bubble ring. Twist a barrier knot. Twist a bubble ring. Make another barrier knot. Make a bubble ring, slightly smaller than the last bubble ring. Wrap it around the barrier knot. Make another 1-finger bubble and a barrier knot. Make another bubble ring, a little smaller than the second one. Wrap it around the barrier knot. Stuff the ball tail into the 3 bubble rings and pull it out. Inflate a short segment of yellow to 6 OQ balloons. Tie it together with the tail of the ball just pulled out. Inflate another segment of yellow to 6 OQ balloon. Make a bubble ring, bigger than the white bubble at the bottom. Twist a barrier knot. Inflate the balloon tail. Wrap it around the white barrier knot. Use red 1/6 OQ and green to 6 OQ to make an apple twist. Be sure to tie it tightly. Stick it to the cone. Glue all the broken balls to the cone. Draw some grids. The ice cream cone is ready.